Sup you guys, and today we're back in another video. Comment down below what your favorite squishy was from this video. It's actually another, I'm going to do like, I don't know, it's like all my new squishy, oh, focus. There. Okay, so I'm also gonna do my old squishies. So I'm gonna compare and contrast them. So I'll say like when I'm doing my old squishies. But first I'm gonna do my new squishies. So let's get to it. First of all, shout out to Julie's Life, my best friend Juliana. Let's get to it. First one. I don't have the packaging for this one. I don't really keep a lot of packaging. All I have is like 2 packaging in here because I think like people would like, I'll give them my subscriber and stuff. This is really dense. I don't know. I don't want to slam it because my camera will fall. But it's actually really dense. But it's actually pretty surprising. This is a sloth. I got it from Squishy List, one of those jumbo packaging. So yeah. It smells like strawberries. I just cleaned my room, by the way. So if you see like my floor back there, it's kind of clean or something right there. But it's really, I don't know, over there. Oh, I think there's too much movement going on. Focus. Thanks. Okay, so let's get to it. Okay, so my new squishies first. Let's get to it. I'm gonna actually go a little faster. So I'll say the name of the squishy and then move on to the pack. This is This is the packaging from my next squishy. And then this is a squishy. His name's Buddy, the dog. I did not name him. He was on my thing. There's a bunch more to collect, but I found Buddy because I love dogs. Now let's squish it in the packaging. It's pretty cool in the packaging. When I first got it and before I got it, that is the second one. Now the next one is like right after I did my squishy collection. So this is the only one. My Koopa Monkey, and this is the packaging. It's huge. I would have got the unicorn one. So yeah. It's really hard to put in the packaging. But I'll just like the squishy thing. Like mint. I'll be right back. Okay, I think the rest are old. I'm sorry if they're not, but I think the rest is old. So I'm going to start with my mini squishies. Most little thing squishy, I have mini orange squishy. That's old, so it's like defected a little. Another squishy, less squishy. I have a lot of these. Ice cream bird thing. It's not slow rising at all. But yeah, next one is this other squishy, this one. It's this, diamond with a mustache. Pretty slow rising. This is like my first one, I think. of Squishy little minis. I have this baseball that isn't really squishy, but it's had that for a long time. And then I have this mini unicorn. It's rainbow. I don't want the galaxy one, but I really want. And it's really defective because I've had it for a long time and stuff. Plus, it was defective the first time I got it, so. The next one is this mini frog squishy. I'm sorry. Dad!
What?
Turn the TV down, please. I'm sorry about the TV. This frog. Oh, and it's almost, it's collectible. I forgot what it's called. It keeps on happening today. Hey, okay, you're back. And speaking of spooky, it's almost Halloween. October right now. I'm gonna post it in like today, so and I'm going to treat with my best friend Julie's life. This is the YouTube channel. Hi, my name is Juliana. Okay. Next, oh my gosh. It's so funny because this is my favorite one. So I have another squishy that's squishy. It's my favorite one and the last one I got. So last one so far. And it's so cute. It's like, but it's not so rising. It's pretty rising though. It's kind of defected because I squish it so much, but. Next one is this focus. I should have done like packaging videos, but I didn't. So. Icy Cat, you seen this one? Oh my gosh, I forgot something. So when I went to the Squishy, these are my old ones now. So yeah, this is my kitty. The Icy Kitty, you've seen this one in the last one. If you watched it, if you did not, go check it out. This hamster, which is my last one. All of these except for like 3 or 4 are in my last one. Standing up. Okay. This cupcake. There's ice cream. It's pretty surprising. And then there's unicorn. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button. And before you leave, what was your favorite? Was it this Froggy? Maybe. Was it this Sloth? My new ones, and the Froggy was an old one. Unicorn is an old one. Was it Icy Cat one? Was it Cupcake? Oh, comment down below which one was your favorite. I don't know if I just saw that. Was it this strawberry ice cream cone? Was it this unicorn? Or this ice cream peacock thing? Was it this baseball? It's not squishy at all. Was it this diamond? I'm pretty sure I saw this already. Was it this? My most like squishy of all? My first squishy. Was it this hamster? Was it this other squishy? That is my favorite. Was it this doggy one? Buddy? Or was it this creepy one? Let me know which one is your favorite. And I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye. Make sure you smash that like button and that subscribe button.